All right, so the next lesson is about the different types of education. This one's going to take you a little bit longer because each one of these videos is 5 to 12 minutes long. Okay, so what I want you to know about this when you are looking at this is that there's different types of education, and you do not have to make a choice on your education about where you feel today. You can always make a choice with your education down the road, okay? But I want you to be aware of what your options are. You all have options. And if you want to do some sort of post-secondary training, you can do that, okay? Um, so I have here different videos about the post-secondary training options. This is to career and technical colleges, okay? These are community colleges, colleges and university. This is 4 years. This is an apprenticeship, and this is a training program, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to watch the videos for each one of these. Again, 5 to 7 minutes long. You're going to tell me the time commitment. Wait, I already told you the time commitment. You're going to tell me the cost, okay? You're going to tell me 2 of the careers that are offered in this, and then some key takeaway. What did you learn? What was interesting about that specific school? So that's going to take you a little bit more time today because these videos are a little longer. You can do it in a couple days. You can do it over a couple days. You don't have to do it all at once. Whatever works for you.